Alright, welcome to Tech Edify, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI. We are going to use Gemini. You can use ChatGPT, but what we are going to do, we are going to use Gemini to develop a simple one-page website for our business. Now the first thing that we need to do is that we need to give the AI a command. So this is what I want the AI to do for me. I said create an intuitive, responsive and mobile friendly one-page website for my business using HTML, CSS and Java. These are just raw languages. There is no need for any database backing up on this website. So you can just give the AI a little clue about your business, probably what you do. So now let's send a command and see what will happen. Alright, so now the AI has finished generating our HTML and CSS file, everything into one. So this is the whole code for our website. So now let's just copy this one. So you can just copy the code here. So now let's just open to Notepad. So just open Notepad. All right, so now when you open Notepad, you just have to paste the whole code here. All right, so now this is our whole website. Now let's save this thing and look at how beautiful this thing looks like. So now after you have pasted it in the Notepad, what you have to do is that just come to the file and now you just save it. And when you are saving it, now we're going to host it online. So we're just going to use index.html. Now this will make the file not a notepad but probably a web document. So let me just choose desktop and then just save the file on the desktop. All right, so now this is our website. Now as you can see, this is the file. Now if you double click and open it, so this basically is a simple web page that we have designed just using AI. Now all the information that you are seeing here, you can change it based on the prompt that you gave to it. So this is the contact form that we had. Yes, so you can go to the service, it will move you down. If you go to the contact us, it will bring you down here. So this is the about us. So this is a simple website. If you want to modify the content, let's assume maybe the information that you are seeing in, you want to make changes to anything. So what you have to do is that you can just right click on the file. This is the actual file. Then when you go to open with, so let's download the Notepad++. That one will give us a more coding view than this one. So you can just go to your browser and just search for download Notepad++. All right, so let's download it now. All right, so now it has finished downloading. So let's open it and install it here. All right, so this is just a simple text editor application. I love it better than the normal Notepad. So let's see how it goes. Now let's edit our page in the Notepad++. That will give us more view and more editing tools. So let me just right click on it and I'll just click on editing the Notepad++. This actually looks much more better than the Notepad that comes with the Windows. All right, so now here, this is our entire website. Now let me show you one thing here. Let me just minimize this one and then let's open our website and see something. Now when you check at the top here, we call it the title. So what you are seeing on the tab here, you can modify that one if you want to change it. This is it. So this is the title that you see on top of your browser's tab. Now, if you check the code, they have even labeled it very nicely for you. So here talks about the various styles you do not to change here. If you don't understand anything that is relating to CSS, actually the CSS is what is giving the beauty of our website very well. So when you scroll down, you will see the end of the CSS. Now when you come here, this is our website content. So you see the navigation. The navigation is what you are seeing on top here. That is the about us, service and contact us. So these are the navigations. So any content you want to do, the black one is what you can use to change it. So in case maybe I want to put up service and then add something to it, maybe service update, we just want to try that one and you see. So when I just save it, now let me go back to my browser and then refresh it, you realize that I've added the update to it. So you can go ahead and then maybe you want to change out these menus as you are seeing here. Now when you come down, here is our content where you see the comprehensive IT service support here. So if you go to your browser, this is the information. So anything you want to change here, you can change. If you want to add anything there too, you can just add. So this is the button that you see, the get a free consultation. So whatever content that you want to include in this, you can do that. Now when you scroll down here, you see the about us section. So if you go down here, you see the about us section. So who we are, so this is the who we are. and the content of the who we are is here. So when you come here, anything that you want to change here, you can do that. You can even add more content to it. So it goes on and on. So you see our services. So if you want to modify any information out there, you can change any information that you need from there. All right, so now when you scroll down here talks about the various JavaScript that also is playing a function role over our website. So you can see the JavaScript also here. So with this just simple AI command, we have been able to put up an entire website. Now if you had to just hire a developer to do this website for you, they're going to charge you very well. But with this one, you can host it and then put it on web. So let's see how to host this. I'm going to show you a free website. You can do that over there. So now let's just go straight to this website, netlify.com. Now when you go to netlify.com, you can sign up. It's a free website. You can use their free services to host your website. So now here, if you come here on your dashboard, you will see browse from a template. But here we have already our file that we need to upload. So I'll just click on the browse to upload here. So when you come there, you just go to the desktop and then you choose your file. So let's first of all put the whole thing in the folder. So let's create a folder for our website that we want to upload. So I'll just create a website like Texodex, and then I'll drop this file inside. Right, so let me just go back here and then let's upload it. So when it comes to the browse, and this is the desktop. So when you come to the desktop, this is our folder. So I'll just upload it here. So this will upload. So you just upload it. So it's uploading. It says I do not refresh. All right, so now our website has been uploaded successfully. So this is the URL. So with this URL, you can give it to your business people. Actually, this doesn't sound very nicely, but if you have your own domain, you can also put this website. So let's open this browser and see. So now our website is live over the internet. So you can see the entire website that we developed using the AI. So this is live now, and then you can use this one to manage any business at all that you have. So this is it. So this is the link that you can share with your customers or your client that you are also online. All right, so feel free, let me know from the comment section if you have any issues. So this is how you can just use an AI to build up a simple website for yourself. So feel free, if you want to buy a new domain, you can just try any domain from either Namecheap or anywhere that you want to buy a domain from. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.